Hello.
Okay, so who are you?
My name is Nick Uhas. I am 32 years old, and I make science videos for the internet.
Okay, so why did you enter the show this year?
I love science, and there's probably no bigger stage than this.
And this is an act you think is worth $1 million and can win the whole show?
Oh, yeah.
Because?
Science is that cool.
That's a little hard to believe.
Okay, well, best of luck.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so in these two balloons, I have a gas that is very different than helium. You take in helium, your voice goes higher. And so what do you think is going to happen?
Goes lower.
Well, I guess we're just going to have to find out. So just like helium, you're going to really take it all in.
Oh my god, my voice is even deeper. Are you kidding me? Simon, I am your worst nightmare.
Talk!
Hello? Oh my god!
Oh, that's amazing.
Do you think that's bad for you?
No, can't be.
It's so weird.
Hello?
Simon kind of sounds the same.
Now I am your worst nightmare.
Please. Go!
Simon Cowell, I am your father.
Okay, so the fun does not stop. We have more science experiments, but I need 2 more people.
I'll volunteer.
Okay, let's roll. Okay. Okay.
Oh my God.
This is the table of science. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have to put you on goggles. We have a lab coat.
So you put them on.
How confused can you be?
So this is 35% hydrogen peroxide. It's very dangerous stuff.
Okay.
What is in this little container right here is called potassium iodide. It is a catalyst.
Right.
A catalyst makes the reaction go faster.
Great.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix these two together, and we're gonna make a reaction go really fast. I want you to do it like a little closer down here. I don't want it to splash anywhere, right?
And then
So,
you have to run.
We're gonna do it on 3, 2, 1. Back up, back up. All right, so we're gonna make our way over here. We got one more.
Okay.
And this is all you, buddy. We have 2 things here. We have liquid nitrogen, which is negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very cold. We have boiling hot water over here. Put this on.
That?
Oh yeah, safety first. You're gonna try to get all of that hot water into this trash can all in one swoop.
Without dying.
Without dying.
Okay.
And then you're gonna back up
Run.
as fast as you
Oh my God.
Really?
Jump and run, Howie.
Yeah.
I think
And
you
what?
should count him down, though. He needs to count
Why
down.
is everybody going away?
Howie, be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful. Nervous.
All right, on 3,
3,
2, 1.
Coming this way!
This is where you give your best mad scientist.
I know.
I really thought with that big poof that you were going to disappear.
Let's give him critiques with the balloons.
I thought what you did was wonderful, and I'm gonna give you your first yeah. Yeah, baby. I really really want you to come back and make Harry disappear. So I'm going to give you a second yes.
Thank you.
You're going to get a yes from the Cluminator.
Thank you. Oh, thing.
I thought it was absolutely terrible.
Really?
No!
But it's a yes for me.
Thank you.
So those 4 yeses, we'll see you again.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Oh my God, this is so amazing. His voice is ridiculous.